Tonight here on The Rant, President-elect Joe Biden's choices for his healthcare team point to a stronger federal role in the nation's COVID-19 strategy, stressing science and an emphasis on the equal distribution of vaccines and treatments. You're talking about the Biden approach coming up on The Rant. Also tonight, some rants coming in about the election and wearing masks when you are out.
I would just like to say about wearing masks, if you could see two of the nurses I saw last night talk about what it's like for them to care for someone dying of COVID, how horrible it is, then maybe people would have a different view on wearing a mask.
All of America knows that the election was fraudulent. And I keep hearing everybody say, well, there wasn't enough votes to make a difference. That doesn't matter. One fraudulent thing in the election means that it's not a democracy.
Now on the Biden administration's approach to COVID, Pat in Bullitt County, all he's doing is trying to take credit for everything Trump did for the pandemic. Don't know what more Trump could have done. He couldn't magically make it go away, but he did everything necessary to get a vaccine and slow the spread. Kirk in Louisville, COVID-19 should never have been a political issue, but only in America, where we have a president that doesn't know how to be a leader for the whole country, but instead sees America as one group against the other. On the quick departure of the Jimbib Urban Stillhouse on 4th Street Live after 5 years in business, Robert and Lyndon, I just want to mention this was also used as office space for them. With people working from home and the lease coming up, they may have decided not to renew. But John in the Highlands says, sad, I used to really enjoy riding my bicycle through downtown Louisville. Protesting is okay, but destroying property, littering, loitering, and trashing up a perfectly good park are another thing altogether. We can all expect more businesses to leave downtown in the coming days, months, and years, thanks to the rampant property destruction and vandalism. Tom in Southwest Jefferson County ends the rant. Isn't it interesting that the governor doesn't plan to extend the shutdown? What's changed? The bars and restaurants have united and pushed back. That's what. Well, Tom, the governor also said today that the growth of cases appears to be slowing, and he's hoping it stays that way. You can rant about where you see the virus going through the wintertime. Are you doing anything different right now? We do know that stores are running out of toilet paper once again. Here's how you can rant. Post a message on my Facebook page. You're welcome to use Twitter at WHAS11 Doug and follow me on Twitter if you like. Keep your emails coming directly to the rant at WHAS11.com. And the toll-free rant line is open. We'll listen to your calls tonight at 855-749-1101.